everyone. This printer is Canon Pixma TS3752i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to copy documents with this printer. Open the glass scanner, stick the document you want to copy face down. Depending if you want to copy black or color, press this button once if you want to copy black. Press this button once if you want to copy color. If you want to copy more than 2 or 3, as the case may be, you need to press this, keep pressing it. The number will change from the screen. We want to copy black. This is the document we copied, black. If you want to copy it two-sided, the document is still on the glass scanner. Then take this, reload it back to the rear paper tray. Then you wait for the printer to set, and it's showing us A4. Then you select copy again. So it's going to take the same paper. This is the document we copied. If you want it all to be in the same line, then put the document you want to copy. We want to copy this now in color. Select copy color once. This is the document we copied. If you want it to be on the same size or the same area, like the document will start from this area of the paper, then you need to turn it the other way around and also reload it to the printer. Then the next thing to do is you need to select this button again. You wait for the printer to be ready. Once the printer is ready, it will show you 0. Then you select this button, we show you 0. Then you select this button to copy the second page. You can see this is the document we copied. You can see the other side and this side. All the information start from the top. Likewise, on the back, the information start from the top. So this is how to copy documents two-sided manually. Another thing I want to talk to you about is how to select correct paper. What we have here is A4 paper. If you want to copy photo or document, you load the paper at the rear paper tray, then select this button to select the paper. If you select it, you look on the screen, the paper is changing to different color. So this is A4. So you keep pressing it, it will change to different color. What you need to do is you need to remember the size of the paper you are using. Once you remember the size, like this is 4x6, then you select OK to confirm it. Now the paper is showing us 4x6 inches, 10x15 centimeter. So you select OK. Then once you load the paper, then confirm it from this button. Select OK to confirm. Once you select it from this button, paper select. Select it, then select OK to confirm it. Then select black or copy color to copy the document. I want us to select back A4. A4. Then select OK to confirm it. So it's now showing us A4 paper. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. And as you are copying, if you change your mind, you press this button to cancel it. If you are copying the job, change your mind, press this button to cancel. So this is how to copy documents with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.